What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I thought it would be a great idea to do a review on a product other than makeup. Miracle Drops. So I tried this product, Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops, because I've seen so much about this product. If your edges have broken out, your hair is falling out, bald spots, what have you. I've always seen skits about this particular product. So I thought to myself, let me try it out and see, if it really works. I tried this product out because I, not too long ago, shaved the back of my lower neck due to breakage. So I was like, let me try this product and see if it really works. So I did a before and after picture, as you can see right here. Basically, it was a time span between March 25th and April 9th. So I did a before and after pic, and it's so crazy, but my hair actually grew using Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. And I was like, shoot, this really works. Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. If you're having any issues with your edges falling out, or wherever you're having hair breakage, go and purchase this product because it really does work. Go and pick this up. She's not paying me for this. I'm just vouching at the fact that this is a really great product and it actually does work. So I want to make sure I share this with you all. Go and get this product. I will be purchasing more today. So I can definitely stamp my name on this and say that I say go get it because it really does work. And as I always say, thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, keep smiling.